Elrond Mainnet kicks off with DeFi and Bitcoin FOMO. What's going on, guys? Randy here with another daily crypto video. If you guys like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it, all that good stuff. I'm going to get into Elrond's Mainnet and Bitcoin. People are FOMOing into it, and Bitcoin's taking off like a rocket. Let's take a look at CoinGecko to see how the market looks. As I just said, Bitcoin is taking off 24%, almost 24% in the last 7 days, 1% in just the last hour. It's up to $11,778.95. Ethereum taking off as well. Even XRP is up, taking the third spot past Tether, and that's probably because people are taking their Tether and putting it into Bitcoin and altcoins. So looking real nice here. So the big gainers for the day, 24-hour charts, Ampleforth is up 30% after being down 43% over the past 7 days. Zcash up 18.7%, Dogecoin, XRP all up. Losers for the day, Elrond, which we're going to take a look at, and maybe a good time to pick some up if you are interested in Elrond. Surprisingly, they've been down even though they have some big news about their mainnet, but maybe it's just taking a breather since it did have a big run up the past 7 days and even prior to that. Also, Swipe down 6.8%. Band Protocol down 3.3%, but overall markets have been looking great. I mean, we're moving up. Bitcoin dominance is down to 60.5%. Overall market cap 359 million. So Elrond. Well, first off, if you don't know what Elrond is, I'll go into that. So Elrond is a new blockchain architecture designed from scratch to bring 1,000-fold cumulative improvement in throughput and execution speed. To achieve this, Elrond introduces two key innovations: a novel adaptive state sharding mechanism and a secure proof-of-stake algorithm, enabling linear scalability with a fast, efficient, and secure consensus mechanism. Thus, Elrond can process upwards of 10,000 transactions per second with 5-second latency and negligible cost, attempting to become the backbone of a permissionless, borderless, globally accessible internet economy. Okay. Now today, so Elrond's mainnet kicks off with DeFi, Orion protocol integration and update. So it says, we're excited to share about the first DeFi integration of Elrond Mainnet with Orion protocol. We are supporting our partners to enable their platform to aggregate the entire liquidity from centralized and decentralized exchanges, as well as liquidity pools. So they have a nice chart here, the Elrond network and Orion protocol collaboration roadmap. So May to June, research and work package definition. So the Orion terminal was deployed on Elrond, right on track in July to August. Next coming up is the Ethereum bridge and MetaMask integration. November, Orion broker and network integration. DeFi wallets and assets in December, and 2001 still in the works. So, they have a nice roadmap coming up. So moving forward with the article, the Orion trading terminal will be deployed in Elrond network as an exchange contract. Thanks to our robust tool set and full support from our devs, the Orion team has been able to make remarkable progress. So they have deposit withdrawal of assets, trade functionality, fill cancel update, methods for determining balances and trade status, different models such as an order model with encoding, decoding, and validation functionality, signature validation, implementation of order fees, and writing of further tests. So yeah, Elrond here, it's a Definitely seems like a pretty awesome project. They do have staking as well. I'm not personally invested in it, but I've definitely looked into it, and looks very promising. If you want to know about the staking, you can go to stakingrewards.com. Let's take a quick peek now. And it kind of tells you what the staking rewards will be for something like Elrond or any other cryptocurrency that is available to stake. So let's look up ERD Elrond. So the reward is 26.63%. Very, very nice. So 1,000 ERD is going to cost $20. And the monthly earning would be 44 cents. Let's say you wanted to buy 100,000 Elrond. That would cost you $2,000, and you would earn $44 per month in passive income. That'd be $532.85 a year. Not too shabby. Plus, when the price of Elrond goes up, you can also earn that way too. I'll leave a link down below for the article and for stakingrewards.com. But moving on to Bitcoin FOMO. This actually comes from Forbes, which is awesome when you start to see these big publications and well-respected organizations like Forbes starting to talk about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, because you know we're in some good territory. It says the Bitcoin FOMO is back. Bitcoin has come to life this week after months of stagnation, jumping over 20% in just the last 10 days. The Bitcoin price had been trading sideways since its supply squeeze in early May, but this week it leaped past the psychological 10,000 level, soaring to over $11,000 per Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price surge has triggered a retail trading boom, with exchanges around the world reporting sky-high Bitcoin trading volume, and one cryptocurrency hedge fund chief executive saying fear of missing out, sometimes known as FOMO, is attracting people who are late to the party. And no, I wouldn't say late to the party. Just getting started. In cryptocurrency, we often see momentum plays. Joe DePasquale, the CEO of San Francisco-based crypto hedge fund BitBull Capital, said via email, Bitcoin is currently in a breakout phase, just as it was in the first 6 months of 2019 when it increased in value by 189%, DePasquale added, pointing to growing interest in Bitcoin from Wall Street and among payment firms. DePasquale expects the Bitcoin price to hit $15,000 before the end of the year, which would be Bitcoin within touching distance of its $20,000 all-time high. Bitcoin climbed to around $20,000 in late 2017 before crashing back to around $3,000 a year later. With its huge retail investor-led rally fueled by an explosion of media interest in Bitcoin and its underlying blockchain technology. Bitcoin's sudden jump higher this week resulted in a rush to traffic to Bitcoin exchanges as eager investors attempted to catch the upswing, invoking memories of the 2017 Bitcoin gold rush. It's here, guys. We are starting the uptrend. If we can hit, let's say we do hit $15,000 by the end of this year, 2021 is going to be a massive year. Things are going to go parabolic. I mean, now that we're actually on an uptrend, it just seems like $15,000 to $20,000 is so close. Especially because, I mean, it went from 90 to 100 to 10 to 11. Now we're pushing toward 12. It could even go past 15 by the end of the year. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Especially when in the United States, if these stimulus checks come, just like the last one, there was an uptick in Bitcoin. I wouldn't be surprised again if Bitcoin surges because of this money that's coming out, this stimulus package to the United States. So Coinbase, the largest U.S. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange with 35 million users around the world, has seen a threefold increase in Bitcoin trading volume this week, according to a source familiar with the matter. Meanwhile, Binance US, the 10-month-old American arm of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, reported Bitcoin trading this week hit an all-time high on the platform. Pretty wild. Elsewhere, smaller Bitcoin companies have also seen a surge in interest. This week blew away anything we've seen, Corey Klepstein, tech investor and founder of Bitcoin buying app Swan Bitcoin, said via Telegram. Adding the 4-month-old startup did about a third of all-time revenue in 5 days. Good things ahead. Bitcoin FOMO is back. It's real, and we're ready for it. So that's all I have for today's daily crypto video. One more thing, if you guys are not, if you guys haven't downloaded the Brave browser yet, you might want to give it a try. It is built on the Chromium framework, so it's just like Chrome with the plugins, all that stuff. The only thing is that a couple things make it different. It blocks trackers and ads, and so far in 3 to 4 months, it's blocked 272,051 trackers and ads. It saved my bandwidth saved is 1.9 gigs, and time saved overall is 3.8 hours because it's not loading up all those clunky ads that you don't want to see anyways, and the trackers and all that stuff. And it actually pays you in basic attention token, a top 40 cryptocurrency right now. So far this month, just on my laptop, I've earned $3.76. That's 14.825 BAT, and that's not to mention my mobile phone. I've earned probably about the same by using Brave on my mobile phone, just by clicking ads like this. A lot of them are crypto ads, and all I have to do is click on it. I get paid in BAT. There's a link down in the description if you guys want to try out the Brave browser and get free basic attention token. I will see you guys tomorrow.